Hello students, good morning. Myself Rakesh Yadav, representing Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda. I am your maths teacher. As you know, we are discussing exercise 3.3, which may also called trigonometric functions. Trigonometric transformation formulae only applicable in these trigonometric functions, or question number 14, because till question number 13 we have done already in our previous lecture. So prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x sin 4x. This we have to prove. So let us take LHS. It is sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. Now we have to select those two terms where the formula will be applicable. So for that we have to consider this term and this one, because it will become more convenient for us to solve these two terms. This we will have to write it afterwards, after these two terms. So now sin 2x plus sin 6x. Why is it so? Because sin c plus sin d formula we are having. We are not having any formula for sin c plus 2 sin d. So that's why this 2 sin 4x we are writing afterwards. 2 sin 4x. Now see, sin c plus sin d, applied formula it is. Sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, where c is equal to 2x and d is equal to 6x. This is the applied formula. So 2 sin 2x plus 6x upon 2. It is clear in RHS. 2 sin c plus d by 2 means 2x plus 6x by 2 cos 2x minus 6x by 2. So it will be, now this part is also remaining, so plus 2 sin 4x. So it will be 2 sin 2x plus 6x, that is 8x. 8x by 2 means 4x. 2 sin 4x cos 2x minus 6x means minus 4x. Cos minus 4x by 2 means minus 2x. So it will be minus 2x plus 2 sin 4x. Now it is very clear that 2 sin 4x is common here in both the terms. So we may take out 2 sin 4x common. See, one more thing, one which it gives clue that 4 sin 4x is already written here in RHS. That's why it is no need to solve this sin 4x part. So by that clue also you come to know that we have to solve these two terms first of all. Now 2 sin 4x, cos minus theta is cos theta. So this minus sign will be eliminated. Now I am taking here 2 sin 4x common, because it is common term in both parts. It will be cos 2x plus 1. Now we may apply here cos 2x formula, and here we have to mention first of all cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. Now it will be 2 sin 4x cos 2x formula is, in which formula 1 can be cancelled? One formula is 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2, but there 1 is positive, this 1 will not be cancelled, means negative 1 is required. That is why we are applying here 2 cos square x minus 1. So, it will be 2 cos square x minus 1, and for this cos 2x. Now, plus 1 is also there, this positive 1 and negative 1 will be cancelled. Applied formula is cos 2x is equal to, or cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is the applied formula here, and this is applied formula here. So, now it will be 2 into 2, 4 cos square x sin 4x. This is only our RHS. See, this is only our RHS. So, we may write here now, hence proved. So, this question is. Now, question number 15 we have to prove. Here, prove that cot 4x in bracket sin 5x plus sin 3x bracket closed, means cot 4x is in product form of this, is equal to cot x into in bracket sin 5x minus sin 3x bracket closed, means it is also in product form. So, now let me tell you one thing very clear, that here cot 4x is given, means it is more convenient in both parts cot 4x given. So, it is more convenient for us to solve LHS separately and solve RHS separately for making it simple. If after complete solution both parts are equal, then we can write that LHS is equal to RHS and hence proved. So, I am solving now LHS. LHS is equal to cot 4x in bracket, it is sin 5x plus sin 3x, that is equal to cos 4x upon sin 4x, and in bracket here cot can be written as cos upon sin form. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. We may write it in this manner, and here it is sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d upon 2 cos c minus d upon 2. You will have to mention that formula here which is applicable. Cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. This is one formula, and another one sin c plus sin d, which is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. It is another applied formula. So, this we have to mention here. Now, it will be cos 4x upon sin 4x into 2 sin 8x upon 2, that is 4x, cos 2x upon 2, that is cos x. So, this sin 4x is cancelled by this sin 4x. So, it will be 2 cos 4x cos x. Now, it is this LHS is completely solved. Now, we have to take RHS. RHS is equal to cot x and in bracket sin 5x minus sin 3x. So it may be written as cos x upon sin x. This we can write here, sin c minus sin d formula will be applicable. So sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2, that is 2 cos, here in place of c 5x, in place of d 3x. So it will be 2 cos 5x plus 3x upon 2 sin 5x minus 3x upon 2. Here again we have to mention applied formula. That applied formula will be again cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta. This is one, and another one is sin c minus sin d. Sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. This is for sin c minus sin d. So these two formula we have to write here, which is applicable formula. Now this will become cos x upon sin x, and in bracket it is, or you may write it in multiplication into 2 cos 8x upon 2, that is 4x, and sin 5x minus 3x is sin 2x upon 2, that is sin x. So this sin x and this sin x will be cancelled. So it is 2 cos 4x and cos x. So this is only our LHS. So we may conclude now that LHS is equal to RHS, because LHS is equal to RHS, therefore hence proved. Now I am doing question number 17. 16th we have done in our previous video. Question number 17 is prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x upon cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. Let us consider LHS. It will be equal to sin 5x plus sin 3x upon cos 5x plus cos 3x. So sin c plus sin d, that is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. This is first one in numerator, and second one is cos c plus cos d, that is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So it will be 2 sin 5x plus 3x by 2 cos 5x minus 3x by 2. See, in place of c 5x is there, in place of d 3x. So 2 sin 5x plus 3x upon 2 according to this formula, cos 5x minus 3x upon 2, that is cos part, upon 2 cos 5x plus 3x upon 2 cos 5x minus 3x upon 2. So this 2 is cancelled because all these terms are in product. Now sin 8x upon 2, that is sin 4x, cos 5x minus 3x means 2x upon 2, that is cos x, upon cos 5x plus 3x upon 2 means 4x, cos 5x minus 3x means 2x upon 2, that is cos x. So this cos x is cancelled by this cos x. Sin 4x upon cos 4x is tan 4x, that is equal to RHS. We may write here, hence proved now. This is our RHS only. Now our 18th question, it is, here we have to prove that sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y is equal to tan x minus y by 2. So LHS I am taking sin x minus sin y upon cos x plus cos y. So sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos, see here in first case sin c minus sin d will be applicable. Sin c minus sin d means 2 cos c plus d upon 2 sin c minus d upon 2, and in denominator, that is second formula, we are writing cos c plus cos d, cos c plus cos d, that is equal to 2 cos c plus d upon 2 cos c minus d upon 2. So it will be, in place of c x is there, in place of d y is there. So 2 cos x plus y upon 2 sin x minus y upon 2. Here in denominator 2 cos x plus y upon 2, and here it is cos x minus y upon 2. It is well clear that this 2 is cancelled. These are also similar terms, same term. So cos x plus y by 2 and cos x plus y by 2 is also cancelled. Sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta, because theta is same. So we may write here tan x minus y by 2, because sin theta upon cos theta is equal to tan theta. So this is equal to our RHS, hence proved. So in a very simple way, I want to tell you only one thing, that the formula applicable should be applied there, not any other one. You should have to remember these signs, and according to that signs, which one is cos and which one is sin, that you have to apply in a proper manner. It is over.